Have you ever tried to find a circuit? You couldn't? Well, I'm going to show you an easy way today by using this right here. This was sent to me. There's no lie. I have the other one, and it is freaking amazing. This one is a little upgraded. It's a little smaller than my other one. We're going to try and see. It's not even open yet. I literally just got it. So we're going to bust it open. We're going to put it together. We're going to see if we can find a breaker here. So we're going to go over everything that's in the box, and then we'll go ahead and we'll start this. All right, so let's open this together. Like I said, this is just sent to me. I haven't even opened it. Let's talk about what's in it first. There's a little paraphernalia that you can read. It tells you how to use the... Wow, look, it even gives you a breaker directory. That's pretty cool. What else you got in here? Some numbers. So it gives you one set, up to 30 spaces of breaker directory. That's pretty neat. I probably would never use that, honestly, but it's pretty awesome that they give you that. You got your manual, and then basically your quick how to use this. Now, if you remember last time we had to use this, you have to go down the breakers twice and then go slow and it'll find it. That's pretty much the way with all these types of meters, but like I said, we're going to go over this and we're going to make sure it works just like it says it is. So I don't really need this because I've done this enough, but that's basically what that says in a nutshell. So I love this case. So amazing. All right, so what you got here, very compact. You got, let's see what comes in here. You got your plug. You got your socket for your light. Your clip jumpers, which is amazing, let me tell you. No more making stuff because you have it now, all right? And you got your wand, which is way smaller, I think. Pretty certain this is smaller than the other one. Goes up to 1,000 volts. Now that is pretty amazing. And then, of course, you got your plug tester, which also is a GFCI tester and a tripper. So it tells you if they're correct or not. So you got pretty much a lot in a little package here. So we have to open this, and it looks like I'm going to have a screwdriver. Lucky for me. Boom, got my Leatherman. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and see if, ooh, that's small. If I can put the batteries in here real quick. One thing I like about this, I can already say, is it comes with the batteries. How many times have you got something and you don't have the batteries? Batteries sold separate. That is such a freaking unbelievable crap sale. And they're Duracells, so that's pretty nice. All right, let's put them in there. Put the cover back on. Hopefully we put them in right. We'll find out here very shortly. Let's see. Boom. Oh yeah. We are good. All right, also this thing plugs right into this. So when you're moving about, you have everything together. Let's go plug this in. We have to find a circuit first off. Plug this in and let's see. All I need is this right here and probably this. I believe the circuit only has 2 wires, so we have to go up here and see real quick, but I'm pretty certain this is the thing I'm going to have to use. We'll go up here and see. Some of this house is 2-wire circuit, some of it's not. So this is the old circuit, I believe. We'll go upstairs and we'll see. So, of course, this is the 2-prong circuit. Getting ready to convert some of these over, I think. I'll have to look and see. But so all I'm going to do is take my, turn a little light on here, maybe help a little bit. Take my 3-prong to 2-prong, plug it in like that, and we'll plug it into the circuit. And we see right here we have 1 light on, and that says open ground because we know that there's no ground, right? Because we just are only using hot and neutral. So we'll plug this in. We'll go downstairs with our tracer, see if we can find it. You'll just have to excuse the lighting. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it down here. We're going to go down, all the way down. 1 time. And we'll go down again. I'm going to go down twice. This learns your panel. Now we'll go down easy. All right, so it says it's that one. So it says it's this one. Let's make sure though. All right. This thing is pretty accurate, or at least the other one is really accurate. All right, let's see. Let's see if that's it. Okay. It is now green. let's go up and see.
All right, I'm gonna jump in this video real quick and tell you a couple things. So first of all, if you guys want one of these right here, free of charge, there's a couple things you gotta do to make it happen. I'm gonna make it super easy so there's no confusion, all right? 4 things. Number 1, you have to like this video, okay? That's it. Number 2, make sure you're subscribed. Super easy, right? Now, these last 2, they're a little, you know, different. If you want this for free, I'll send it right to you. Not this one, this one's mine, but I will send it to you. So the last 2 things are this. If you've watched my videos, any of them, or if not, you're gonna know my favorite color. Now, if you don't know my favorite color, I'm gonna give you a little hint, all right? It's not green, but it is one of the colors of the rainbow, all right? The last thing you gotta do is super easy. My lucky number, I'm gonna tell you it's from 1 to 75. All you gotta do is take a guess. When the first person to get it, gets it, I'm gonna pin that comment to the very top of the comment section. That way you know the winner's already been chosen and you don't have to keep trying. Because once the comment is pinned there with the winner, that winner will then receive this right here. Once again, like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, my favorite color, and then what's my favorite number? Super easy. Now, I'm not going to give you a hint on my favorite number, but it's from 1 to 75, so you got a lot of guessing to do. So I would go ahead and drop down in the comments now and get started. You can have one number in each comment. Now, having said that, okay, if you put one comment and have like 10 different numbers, even if you get it right, you got to have one comment with all the things I told you, which is my favorite color, and then my favorite number. Super easy. So, once again, one comment, one color in each comment. All right, let's get back to the video. Remember, you're going to want this. This is pretty amazing, guys.
Pretty amazing, right? Now, a couple things I want to talk about this. You cannot use this on a dead circuit. So, I do have another meter, which I will be doing a video on later, that you can use on a dead circuit to find it, if it's the right one or not. This one is only for live circuits, so keep that in mind. I like the smallness of it. It's very compact. The case, guys, is amazing. I love the fact that it has the batteries with it. That's amazing, really. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've been somewhere and I'm like, crap, I need the batteries. Has a carrying case, has all your included cables. So you saw right away, I have a 2-wire system. It found it completely the first time and no issues. So really think this is a high quality item. For the price of this, you can't go wrong. This should be in your arsenal. If you don't like the other one I did, video one, then definitely get this one, because I'm telling you, the price is perfect. Klein makes one. I'm not sponsored by either one of these. I wish I was, but Klein makes one and it's pretty good too. Now, I haven't done a video on that one. That's coming, so just hold tight. That one is coming.
All right, so another feature of this is, I know the lighting is bad and so is the audio right now, but this has a non-contact voltage setting. You see right here where the function is? If you hit the function, it goes back to the circuit finder. And then if you hit the function again, it goes back to NCV. And boom! Non-contact voltage sensor. See? See? It works. I mean, there's nothing there. But we're getting closer to the circuit. Look at that. That's pretty awesome, huh? But see over here, nothing, because there's no wire there. Same over here. Boom, baby. But nothing here, because there's no wire in there. So this thing's pretty accurate. The other function this thing has is, if we're in a dark area, like let's say right there, it doesn't look super dark in the camera here, or the phone, but if I wanted to have a light, see right here, you just touch this on, boom, and now look at that. And now you can see where you're working. So I can see. Pretty cool, huh? If I turn it off, see the difference? So this thing is really pretty nice piece of equipment, honestly.
All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. If you like what you see and you want to see the first video on the Klein tracer, click right here. It is amazing. you will see a trick that nobody knows up until right now. So keep that in mind. Guys, if you like what you see, make sure that you like and subscribe. Thumbs up if I've given you any value. Subscribe. Buy me a coffee if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.